Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another non-phone healthcare work from home job lead. We will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just know that the links to everything I share is always in the YouTube description box below. And if you never want to miss out on another daily work from home job lead, because that's what this channel is all about, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. Today's job lead is from Molina Healthcare. They are hiring a Medicaid implementation program manager to work remote. Now, this is 100% work from home, but it is for my United States folks only. This one is good for those of you who do have some healthcare experience and you want to get a promotion up into a higher paying job that is in management. They are looking for someone to be an active collaborator with people who are responsible for internal business projects and programs involving departmental or cross-functional teams, someone who can plan and direct schedules as well as project budgets, someone to monitor the project from inception through delivery, someone to primary focus on program and project management. So this is really a project management position within the healthcare field. You'll create and distribute weekly status reports on schedules, and you'll work with operational leaders and operational budgets to make sure everything is running smoothly. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree or equivalent, and it says a combination of education and experience is accepted. So maybe they'll accept an associate's degree if you have a lot of experience, but they do require some kind of education. They also want someone who has 3 to 5 years of a program or project management experience, someone who has healthcare experience, someone who has operational process experience, and someone who has experience with a Microsoft project or Visio. Above and beyond that, they also want someone who has great communication skills. And it's also a plus if you've been through some of the training programs and have certification in Six Sigma, Green Belt, Black Belt, all of those things. Now, if that is you, they pay very, very well. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but their budget for this position is anywhere from $66,000 a year all the way up to $129,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.